Hi guys, welcome to Tales and Tips Africa. My name is Jenny and it's great to have you here. Okay, so today guys, I want to show you how to open a second YouTube channel using a different Gmail account. And okay, so right now I'm going to switch over to screen view so that you see exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Okay, all right. So guys, to open a new YouTube channel with a different Gmail account, we have some steps to follow. Okay, so the first one of them is to sign out of the current YouTube account you're using. Okay, if you are currently logged into your existing YouTube channel, you have to sign out to access the option to switch accounts. Okay, to sign out, you go to your YouTube channel, you go to the top right corner where you have your profile picture, click on it, then come down here and click on sign out. Okay, so this is what you see when you signed out. All right, so the next thing to do is to create or sign into a new Gmail account. Okay, so to do that, you have to go to accounts.google.com and sign in with the new Gmail account you want to use for the second YouTube channel. All right. Now, if you don't have another Gmail account yet, you have to create one by clicking on create account and following the steps to set up a new Google account. But my previous video, I showed you how to create a new Gmail account. So if you don't know how to do that, you can just go over to that video and it will help you show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. All right. Okay. So now we're the second uh, step we have to follow is to create or sign into a new Gmail account. I'm already signed into my new Gmail account here. So I'm already signed in. Okay. So the third thing to do is to access YouTube with the new Gmail account you opened. Okay. All right. So to do that, you have to type youtube.com. Okay, so see here, you click on it. So once you get to this point, you click on the profile icon in the top right corner here. You can see that. So you click on it. So now, since I've already opened I already have a new Gmail account, and this is the one I'm using for this tutorial. Where is it? Okay, this one. This is the one. The new account I created just in my previous video. So this is the one I'm using for this tutorial. So I click on it. Okay, to prompt you to enter your password. All right. Then click on next. Okay. So once you're there, you click on the profile icon in the top right corner of your YouTube homepage. Once you click on it, you see create a channel. Okay, so YouTube is prompting you to create a channel, a new channel for this account if you haven't done so already. So since we haven't done that, we have to click on create a new channel. Okay, so the first step here is to set up your new channel. So first of all, you have to enter your name, that is the name you want for this new channel, and customize it with a profile picture by clicking on select picture. And then there are so many other things you can do, like a description and other details. All right, so first of all, let's choose a name for this channel. So we can choose remember that the name will have to, you know, for me, I don't know for others, but I like the name reflecting what the channel is all about. So assuming this channel is for maybe um let's say your channel is all about lifestyle, all this big blog, all those things. So you can just put let's say Jenny's lifestyle. Remember, you can change it anytime you want. Okay, so the handle automatically will reflect uh depending on the name you put there. Then you can click on select a picture to change your profile picture. You can choose from these illustrations, or you can go to your computer and upload a picture from your system. Okay, so let's use one of these illustrations here. I'm picking this one. Okay, this is okay. Click on, you can choose any of them here. You can change the color, crop and rotate, all those ones there. Click on done. All right, so our new picture is here. So once you are done and you are okay with all the changes you've made, you can just click on create channel. Okay, all right, so your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. All right, so as we wait, I want to still tell you that you can switch between your channels, like from the previous channel we signed out of to this new one. You can always switch between channels by clicking on the profile icon here in the top right corner of your YouTube homepage and selecting switch account. Okay, look at it here. You can switch account. Once you click on switch account, it will show you all your other channels so that you select the one you want to switch to. Okay, all right, so let's go back to our Jenny's lifestyle. All right, this is our new channel, Jenny's lifestyle, and this is customized channel, manage videos. You can decide to customize this channel by changing a lot of things, you know. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see, customized channel. Okay, welcome to YouTube studio. Continue. So this is where you change your banner image. You can upload from your system too. So you change your banner image, your profile picture, you can decide to change it. Then your name, you can decide to change it as well. Your handle will reflect once you change the name. Okay, then the description, tell viewers about your channel. Your description will appear in about section of your channel and search results among other places. So this is what you where you tell your viewers or your subscribers what your channel is all about. Okay, so as you scroll down, you see so many other things to change. maybe in my next video or in the comment section, you can tell me exactly what you want me to my next tutorial to be all about. I can still tell you more about this. Okay, so this is it, guys. So once your new channel is set up, you can start uploading content, customizing it and managing it separately from your original channel. Okay, all right, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. So see you in my next video. Okay, I can't tell you what I'm going to um show you in my next video. Okay, but if you have ideas, you can just put them in the comment section so I can know what you want me to do, okay, in my next tutorial. All right, so let us know your thoughts in the comment section and feel free to share this video with someone you think might enjoy it. Okay, so until next time, take care, guys. Bye.